If you want to extract and copy text from screenshot on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, find any page which you want to copy text from. Let's open up our OnePlus page, why not, right? And let's take a screenshot. So to take a screenshot, let's take a screenshot of this text. So press on your power button and on your volume up buttons. So let's do this. I'm sorry. All right. Now you can either press extract contact, which you see on your screen, and the text will be copied, right? So you can highlight it, right, just like this, and you can press copy. And now this text copied, so you can paste it and use it. Well, basically that's how it works. So keep in mind that you can save it, you can share it immediately, or you can just copy it. So sometimes when you have some problems copying your text, make sure that it's clearly visible on the screen. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.